Hi guys, my name's Terry. I'm just going to do a quick overrun in terms of setting up and unpacking your Sensecap when it arrives. You're going to get it in a black box as so. Inside the box you're going to have the main helium device. You're going to have a European plug, so make sure if you're in the UK that you get an adapter. Get them on Amazon for a few pounds, and then you have the stock antenna that's in that comes part of that comes with the device. Now, for this scenario, I'm going to install the stock antenna. That's how I'm going to get everything set up. And get everything loaded onto the blockchain. If you've got a main antenna that you're going to stick up on the roof, then you can attach straight to that main antenna. Never boot your device up without the antenna. You can burn out the CPU or the internal memory. So once you've got the device, I'm connecting mine via Ethernet cable. There is options to do it via wireless. I generally will only ever install using an Ethernet cable. Make sure the antenna is attached and then plug in. There's no on and off button. Once you plug it in, the power goes live. On the back, you might not see it straight away. You'll see the red and green lights come on as soon as you add power. If they're not on, then you've got a problem with your power source. The blue light that flashes at the back means that it's working. It won't come on initially. Sometimes that can vary, anything up to an hour for that blue light to come on. When the blue light is steady, that's when you're ready to set it up. So when it's static, that's when you're ready to set it up on your mobile phone app. On the app, you're then going to connect via Bluetooth to initially register the device. Once the blue light on the back becomes steady, you're going to press and hold it until it goes into a slow flashing light. When it's in a slow flashing light, that means that the Bluetooth is active and you can add it to your Helium wallet. You're going to open up your Helium app on your phone, go to the plus symbol in the top right hand corner, scroll down to the bottom and select Sensecap M1. Click through all the settings. It's going to then scan for the Bluetooth. Once it's scanned, it should come up. That's the device. If you've got a few all sat there setting up, which sometimes I do, you can check the MCAP number on the bottom. You're then going to go through and find your Wi-Fi, or in this instance I'm using Ethernet. I don't want to assert the location at this point, so you can skip that, especially if it's not going to be its forever home. But if your location is its home, then ask for permissions and then place it on the map. You've got about 50 to 75 meters. Tolerance is where you place it on the map, but make sure you check out POC V11 in regards to the new rules in terms of placement and measuring the RSSI and signal strength, etc. So for now, I'm going to set that up later. It wants me to confirm that I'm going to assert the location later within the settings, and then I'm going to register the hotspot. Then it's going to click through to register, guys. It can take a while, so you can go to wallet, you can carry on, close down the app, and then it'll come up. Especially to begin with, it'll come up into your activity, and in your activity it'll say hotspot added to the blockchain and that it's pending. And that's it, guys. That's your Helium hotspot added to the chain. As I've said lots of times, make sure there's always an antenna attached.